Hi, everyone. My name is Leslie Sloan, and I'm the owner of Oracle's Color Therapy, the creator of the Oracle Healing Cards, and your guide for a 4-week self-workshop that I just created entitled Become Empowered by Embracing the Gifts of Your Feminine Lineage. And we're in a time now when the feminine fires are rising. And, classically, at the end of every civilization, is the marking and the beginning of the feminine energy coming through. It's the love wisdom. So it's really empowering for us to go back into our feminine lineages and see what worked, what didn't, and what isn't working now, and how you can change the consciousness, how you can step up and take the responsibility for your vibration, because you're not responsible for anybody else's but yours. So this is about looking deeply into something very transformative for you to see what you like, what you didn't like, what you know that's been passed through the family. And so in these next 4 weeks, I will be presenting 4 different oracles, one each week, that you can interact with, because these are multidimensional. You will most likely feel them in your body. You will feel the energy moving around you. They're incredible. And so each oracle that I present once a week is going to represent a language and the subject regarding the feminine lineage. So for instance, let's say if week 1 is about self-love, then that particular oracle is going to come in that is going to teach, is going to help you understand and embody self-love. Because this whole journey is about helping you to trust your choices, trust your intuition, to help you feel safe walking in this world, to feel safe in general, to feel nurtured, to feel loved, to feel supported. And of course, that's why I'm here, is to help you feel supported. And I've been doing this work for years. So this is really, really important. What I highly recommend is, when you are taking the 4-week self-workshop, that you have a pen and paper handy, because you're going to probably want to write notes and record your thoughts, because I have some very deep self-inquiry questions that I am asking every day in this process. And you're also going to be going through color vibrations. So I chose 4 particular colors in order, which is, it's like a symphony. So you're going to start one, and then you're going to go to the next week, and then you're going to go to the next and the next. I don't want you jumping timelines on this, because you're going to miss the whole point of the journey, and the sound vibration will be off. So this is really important. The other thing is, I want you to throw any kind of judgment out the window, because nothing that you do is wrong or right. It's just how it unfolds for you. So, because we all have different lineages, we all have different things that we love. And this whole journey is to find out what you love. What do you love? What makes you tick? Finding things out that you've never known before. So this is absolutely fantastic. Now, if you find that in the course of these 4 weeks, you feel stuck, you feel blocked, you just want assistance in acceleration, then I'm available for 20-minute sessions, healing sessions, readings. And you can find the information written in the documents you're going to receive once you purchase the 4-week journey. And the other thing is, I am on Instagram, and I will be posting, especially in these next weeks, these next 4 weeks. I'm going to be posting every day. And so for those of you who just want to follow along on Instagram, you will get a question of the day, and that will bring you into deeper insights, because deeper insights, when you're piercing the veil of the lineage, and you're looking at yourself, and you're looking at the reflection of you, it is so powerful what comes out, especially when you're, a lot of us avoid looking at things. So this way, you're being held in love, and you can answer the questions anytime you want. And again, there's no judgment. It's just about support and love and feeling nurtured and safe. And so I hope you join me on this journey, and I hope you join yourself in this journey, because this is very, very empowering, and it's incredibly important for the transformation of you in life. And this is a time when we've all been stopped so that we can look inside and reflect, deeply reflect on what's going on with us, because we're only responsible for our vibration, not anybody else's. And we're not here to face reality, we're here to create it. And that's the power of the feminine, is to do that, is to create, because only she can create, birth, and nurture. Within the masculine as well, with every man and boy who has the feminine inside, which they do, that is their ability to create right there. So I hope you join me on this journey, and also join me on Instagram. And I look forward to seeing you all. And please do leave your comments, because I'm really open for that. I want to hear how you're doing and what's going on, and what you're interested in and seeing. So I'm completely open for all of that. So I wish you all a beautiful, beautiful journey. I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you. And I'm just sending lots of love. I'll say goodbye for now. See you soon. Okay.